Hi there, and welcome to the channel. Here I'm talking about practical vibe coding for personal and business needs. Weekly I share cases and template links which you can use in 2 clicks or customize it. And if you just get acquainted with vibe coding, there is a video about how it works and which opportunities you get by using AI development. So check it out in the description. Okay, the introduction part is over. Now let's vibe code a task planner. I like to show this example because although there are many tools on the market, most of my colleagues and friends working in IT create their own apps. Why? Because each of them wants to add something unique to a task planner. And it's a big part of the daily routine, and it's quite obvious that if there is an option to make such a tool more personal in minutes, it's worth building it. I spend many hours weekly working with tasks, and I'd like to make my user experience much easier, convenient, and effective, of course based on my needs. So, I'll show you my example. As usual, I will use Chatium, AI platform for vibe coding any web app. And the platform is not only about vibe coding, but about creating a ready-to-use project. For example, built-in emails, payments, tables, authorization, and much more. For example, this task planner can be personal, or it can be launched as a subscription app for other users. Okay, now let's move to Chatium inside. Building any app starts with creating a prompt. What is a prompt? It's a text description containing elements, features, and the main goal of your future app. Imagine you are telling your friend what your task planner should be, and you see it in your head. Maybe you have some simple structured image. So here it's good to spend some time on prep and to write a clear prompt. So now let's check mine. As you can see, I'm describing the structure of my task planner and key objects. So it's status, role, date, and all of them I want to be as filters. And also I'd like to have a customized block in my tracker's header as my personal working area with shortcuts, which I can add, remove, replace, and so on. And it saves much time. I'd like this tracker to be my flight center management, I like all my main shortcuts to be available on one screen. So, here I met my first error, and it's not time to panic at all. What I need to do just to click try to fix it and return it to AI, and that's it. And it's like second error, so it's okay. And back to my planner, I also described the style of it so that it should be white and blue and minimal. And here you can see it. So for me, it's important to have such a planner as a visual noise-free zone, And if you prefer another design and colors, just text it to AI and make it fully yours. So, as you can see, the process is pretty simple. You don't need to write it using even more technical language. It's completely the same manner as we communicate with each other daily. My tracker is delivered, and now it looks empty, but it has all elements which I asked AI to build. So let's test it and see how it works. First of all, let's create a couple of tasks. For example, let it be roadmap for customers project. To do. And today's date. So the first one, then my another task. Let it be this onboarding screens, and it's in work in progress. And here, let's change role and date. 18th of March. And one more task, like this. Owner. And for example, done. Yeah, okay, it can be even date in the past. Why not? So now there are all my tasks on the screen, and let's also check filters. For example, to do. Yeah, right. Work in progress 1 and done 1. Yeah, we don't have any task for status to fix. Yeah, now I can filter by role. Now the tracker doesn't have such a subject as a user, so all roles exist without any connection to the user in terms of each task. So let's add this function. I return to chat room, and I already prep my prompt. I just copy it. So yeah, let's Vibecode it. While AI developer is doing its work, what I'd like to do is to test also my blog for shortcuts and to add some links. So, for example, link, let it be this one. So, for example, yeah, GitHub, great. Okay, I have, for example, like working links, and I have like my music, and also if it's my main working area, let's finish it with even more personal task. For example, it can be gift to that, and here it can be some Amazon links, right? Why not? Yeah, so it works. Also, I can add time zone, different time zones, and it's very convenient. I'm sure you support me when you have colleagues from different regions, from different countries, and customers as well. It's very convenient to have everything in one place. And of course, I can customize this blog. I mean, now I have everything in one line, but it's up to you. I just want to show you small example. Okay, so I will use my another email. Okay, test user. So send invitation. Yeah, I have email from my task planner with button accept invitation. Let's check it out. What happens if I click the button? Yeah, welcome back. So sign in to manage your tasks. Perfect. It's what I wanted to add. And what else I'd like to build is landing page for my service. Imagine that you want to offer your audience such a tool for creating personal planner in minutes, and I want AI to create such landing page with pricing. So let's see. While AI is creating a landing page, let me show you all the integration page where you can connect PayPal and Stripe, very easy, and start to accept payments if you're interested more in business tools. Yeah, I'm on my landing page. So let's check what I created. Your personal task planner built in minutes. Nice. Everything needs to stay organized. So yeah, main functions, how it works, pricing, and yeah, if my workspace will be connected to PayPal or Stripe, I will be replaced to payment page. So yeah, create free account. So easy to start. Of course, you can also customize this page. It's just an example. So now let's back to my planner. So my last prompt was about returning my 3 tasks. Do you remember, which I added in the beginning to test my app? Then after adding authorization model, they disappeared, but they were kept in database. So I asked AI to check it and fix it and return it. And there was small system conflict about it. It's not a big deal. So do what you do. Just know that you always can back to AI. Now you can see that all my tasks are here. It's like pretty simple tool. So you've seen all my prompts and add-ons. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. And you can also check other videos on the channel with such cases. Grab the template and share your feedback. Or build something unique. Stay tuned.